What are you up to today, Radia?
We gotta make healthy bowl yogurt for breakfast.
Yes. Do you want to try again, maybe? Healthy yogurt bowl.
Healthy yogurt bowl. Huh?
What are you up to today, Radia?
We gotta make healthy yogurt bowl. Yes.
Let's do it now.
Yes.
Do you need hands?
Yes. No.
Your dress looks nice.
Thank you. There's a Mickey Mouse. Am I here?
Are you enjoying your tidy room now?
Yes. Do you want me to show you my room?
Yeah. Show you your room.
Come on. And guys, my dad did something. He changed Manish bed into my room. And here are my books, big books, small books. And my crafts. And in here, there is, come here. Come.
Yeah, I can zoom in.
There is my cream, my backpack, and my toys, my puppet, my bag, and my toys underneath. And my goals. We don't need this, Dad.
That's our mama's, that's Mania's childhood toy.
Okay. And there's Mrs. Mike's handprint. And guys, this is me. And this is my name, Radia.
So,
Cool. Let's back to work. Ouch. Ooh. First we got to do. First guys, we got to put a card. Dad, we've got a banana. Do it like that. So first thing, we need to have the bowl, and the first thing is yogurt. Where do I open it from?
just from the side, you see.
Ouch! I can't.
This one, you need to break down the seal over here.
And now,
So this one is natural yogurt
yes.
with the spoon here. Just
Take your chef,
put it
Papa.
on the bottom over here.
Okay.
More.
A bit more. And now at least a bit more. Here, all done? Do you see?
A bit more.
Oh, a bit more in the middle.
Yes.
Okay.
Put the yogurt away.
Spoon in here.
I'll do it myself. Alright, now what else do you want to add in here? Banana? Okay.
Where's my sharp knife? Today I'm not going to use this knife.
Well, this one is nice. You can start.
Okay.
Did you like it, Maya? Hey! Good! Give me a high five.
So, Papa, do we need all of it? If you guys want, you want all of it, then you can have all. If you don't want to, you can have a little bit. So we gotta cut it like that.
Put it on the board, banana, and then chop it up. Yes. This one down here. Chop it up and add it.
Oopsie, this was a bit too big. A fat.
Thank you. Welcome. Thank you.
Oh. And now we're going to add in some polish.
Which one do you want?
I gotta pick. I gotta have pink.
I don't have to add it all.
Ooh. Why don't you give it a wee bit of mix, Papa?
You don't mix it now. You gotta mix it later on when it's done with, huh?
Okay.
It's looking messy now. You see? Can't
Oh.
really see any bananas in there.
Here's some bananas. Here's.
It's alright.
Yeah.
You just put it over there. This one.
And the sink. Car.
Not all of it, okay?
Okay, I'm going for how much I want.
That's enough for you, right? Alright.
Now some of this.
Yeah. Wait, you need frozen berries in there also?
Let's see if they already melted.
Roasted. Oh, melted.
Frost.
Hey, where are you going up there? You're gonna fall from there, Beta.
No.
You black monkey.
Start defrosting it. I'm gonna start with this soft mango. So soft.
Yeah.
Ice.
It's alright. Nice because it's summer now. We can have some chill fruits in there. Use your spoon Beta to get the other stuff off of the spoon.
I'm gonna try. So yummy.
Alright, leave some for me.
That much is okay for you?
Yeah. Ah.
Mm.
Hey, Anya? Uh-oh. What did it? Being a cheeky girl.
Pouring some of juice in.
That looks nice, right?
Thanks. And you didn't even tell me, but I did it for myself.
Yeah, you're a chef now. Sour. So now to make it sweet in there, just add some honey. Yeah.
I love honey.
Mm-hmm. Now you just drizzle on top all over around there. Beautiful.
Guys, look at this pink banana.
That's enough honey with it.
I'll mix it with this spoon. Oh, some curds on it. I'm putting some more soup.
No, for me, leave it. Come on, now try it and just let me know how it goes. Let me try also. I'll try too. So you want to tell people like do try your recipe and just let you know how you go for it. So they follow your channel also. Then we will tell them which channel you got. So they could Facebook page.
Cold.
You want to let Mani try also?
Honey.
A small bowl in her bowl. The one she got. That's alright. The messy girl over here. Diddy gonna give you more. You want more? You messy monkey. Oh, messy monkey. You messy monkey.
Mania?
Diddy goes for you. Yummy.
Now let me get mine.
Wow.
I'm gonna eat all of this.
It's alright, we will wipe it off. Come on. Monkey girl.
Papa, can we have some coconut with it?
No, beta, yogurt is holding it.
Okay.
Making your lunch. Chop. You want to try this, Mani? Didi made it for you. Tell Didi how it is. Yum. Come, banana bhi usme. Yum. Banana. There's banana in there. There's banana in there.
The curd is all pinky now.
Do you want to watch my one? How I make my one? banana, yeah.
Papa, can I make yours? Can I make yours?
You can watch me how I'm making it.
No, I want to make yours. I know
I'll
how.
teach you my way also. Okay? No, I'm gonna add just avocado also.
Papa.
Mama.
And guys, my dad is on his pajama. My dad is wearing his pajama and this is not my pajama.
Yeah. Come. Yum, yeah.
Didi.
दीदी
Toast?
Porsche. दीदी ने खा लिया आप खाओ
Try.
That looks nice, like a colorful, healthy, yeah.
Try the mango.
Beautiful.
Papa? I turned it on now.
Alright, now I'm gonna show you my way, Radhya.
Okay.
Give me the mic now. It's my turn to handle. Wait, Twinkle.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Guys, I'm invisible.
Visible
Yeah,
or invisible?
invisible I am. Can you guys see me? You can only see my head.
Alright.
Turn on, Papa. It was not on.
Really?
Yeah.
Didn't turn it on.
Yes, I turned it on now.
Alright, now my turn to make a yogurt bowl with the bacon, Radhi. Your favorite, you missed that. Pan on here. I will let you try my own also. And some fried eggs gonna go in there.
I like fried eggs.
And another pan, the back side.
Papa, this is enough for me, okay?
So these two over here. Now we're gonna do.
It's filling you so fast.
Yeah. So I need a ring. Nice.
Red.
Nice fried egg with this.
Okay.
Alright. This ring gonna go in here.
Can I have some fried egg?
I can let you try my bowl also.
I just want to have some fried egg. Can you just give me some fried egg, Dad?
I'll let you have my one. So
Good.
I wanna make it like a little bit savory style. So yogurt gonna go at the bottom here. Alright. The yogurt going at the bottom.
Oh, it's not on.
Well,
I'm joking. It is on.
not too much yogurt. I don't want too much yogurt. Just yogurt at the bottom a little bit.
It's not fruit yogurt.
Well, it's a plain yogurt.
Yeah, you can have any kind of yogurt.
I've got some leftover avocado. I'm gonna add into that one. Easy peasy one, Radia.
Now, do you want me to do that printing?
Then you can do it from here. It can go up like this. So, you see? And then I'm gonna try this. Nice bacon. You see the bacon in there?
Yes, I can see bacon.
Alright, this one gonna go in the pan here. So this is gonna go in here. Is it going on? Are you lying?
It's on.
Another piece of bacon. Some water gonna go in here. Put this one back and do our fried egg. Some olive oil in the middle. Radha, you wanna grab egg? You wanna grab eggs? Egg. Alright. Now,
I can't see your face.
that's alright. So, we've got nice crispy bacon here. Wait, need to chop up some
No, it's on me.
avocado.
It's on me, Papa. Your hair smells like honey, Mania.
Can you see the crispy bacon? Oi! I'm stealing my bacon.
Yeah. I can take your bacon.
On the board also. Like honey?
Where's the honey?
Oh, my bacon gun. What I'm gonna eat then? That's my bowl. Wow. I know. So you got here.
Egg. I want egg.
It's hot.
I want to have egg.
The egg gonna go in here.
Papa.
हाँ
Don't.
डांटो किसने डांटा भाई मम्मा को some sun-dried tomato आ जाए some seeds gonna go around here crunch Honey, get down please. Oi, no, get off. You monkey girls. Get up from the table. And some honey. Get off from the table, please. I see the monkey girls here. Mani, get up from the table. I think mine one is better. See?
My one is even better than Papa's.
No, because I've got bacon here. Egg, fried egg, my favorite. Bacon.